Welcome to Motors Sports Mania, your go-to channel for everything related to powerful machines, cutting-edge automotive tech, and in-depth vehicle reviews. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a speed lover, or just someone who appreciates well-engineered vehicles, we have something for you. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Nissan Frontier, a mid-size truck that continues to evolve while staying true to its rugged identity. The 2026 Nissan Frontier carries forward the bold and aggressive design language introduced in recent years, further refining its stance as a tough yet modern pickup. At first glance, the muscular front grille and sculpted hood give it a confident look. LED headlights are now standard across most trims, and the redesigned taillights add to the sharp, contemporary rear-end styling. New color options have been introduced this year, along with updated alloy wheel designs that offer a more dynamic and personalized look for different trims. Under the hood, the 2026 Frontier sticks with the tried and tested 3.8-liter V6 engine, which produces around 310 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission that delivers smooth and responsive shifts. While some competitors offer smaller turbocharged engines or hybrid options, Nissan continues to focus on naturally aspirated performance for those who value simplicity and reliability. The Frontier is offered in both rear-wheel drive and four-wheel drive configurations, making it versatile for both city driving and rugged terrain. One of the key selling points of the Frontier has always been its off-road readiness, and the 2026 model continues the tradition with improved suspension tuning and better ground clearance. The Pro4X trim remains the top choice for off-road enthusiasts, featuring Bilstein shocks, underbody skid plates, and an electronic locking rear differential. It also includes off-road tires and hill descent control, giving drivers added confidence when navigating trails, steep grades, or rocky paths. Inside the cabin, Nissan has made thoughtful updates that improve comfort and technology without losing the Frontier's utilitarian appeal. The interior features high-quality materials that feel durable yet comfortable. Most trims now come with a larger 12.3-inch infotainment display powered by Nissan's latest interface. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone connectivity. There's also available built-in navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot capabilities, and USB-C ports for faster charging. The driver information cluster has been upgraded to a fully digital screen in higher trims, offering better visibility and customization. Features like remote start, heated steering wheel, dual-zone climate control, and power-adjustable front seats add a layer of convenience that wasn't always present in older Frontier models. Rear seat space remains suitable for adults in the crew cab models, and there's clever storage beneath the seats and throughout the cabin to make daily use more practical. The bed of the 2026 Frontier is engineered for utility. With the available Utility Track channel system, tie-downs can be repositioned to secure different types of cargo. LED bed lighting, a household-style power outlet, and a damped tailgate make loading and unloading easier in various conditions. Whether you're hauling tools, camping gear, or weekend toys, the Frontier's bed is more than up to the task. In terms of safety, Nissan continues to expand the Frontier's suite of driver assistance technologies. The 2026 model comes standard with a range of features including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and rear cross-traffic alert. Higher trims add blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and a surround view camera system which is especially helpful for parking in tight spaces or navigating through tricky terrain. These updates bring the Frontier closer in line with its rivals when it comes to modern safety expectations. Towing and payload capacities for the 2026 Frontier remain strong for the midsize truck segment. It can tow up to 6,720 pounds and has a payload rating of just over 1,600 pounds depending on configuration. This makes it more than capable for light-duty towing jobs such as small boats, trailers, and off-road vehicles. It strikes a good balance between daily drivability and work-ready performance. Fuel economy is consistent with what you'd expect from a mid-size pickup with a naturally aspirated V6 engine. Drivers can expect an average of around 18 miles per gallon in the city and 24 on the highway with the rear-wheel drive model, while the four-wheel drive versions post slightly lower numbers. Although not class-leading, the figures are acceptable given the Frontier's power and utility focus. The driving experience of the 2026 Frontier is noticeably refined compared to older generations. The steering is responsive, and the suspension does a solid job of absorbing bumps, making it comfortable on both pavement and dirt roads. Noise insulation has been improved, leading to a quieter cabin, especially at highway speeds. While it's still a truck built to handle work and off-road tasks, it now drives with a level of comfort that makes it suitable for daily commuting and long road trips. The Frontier also offers multiple trim levels, from the practical S and SV models to the more premium Pro X and Pro4X trims. This wide range means there's a Frontier for just about every kind of truck buyer, whether you're looking for a reliable workhorse or a weekend warrior with modern amenities. Each trim provides solid value for its price point, and Nissan's reputation for durability adds long-term peace of mind. Pricing for the 2026 Frontier starts around the mid-$30,000 range for the base models and can climb to over $50,000 for the fully loaded off-road focused trims. While the Frontier doesn't offer electrification or turbocharged options like some rivals, it keeps its appeal with proven mechanicals, rugged styling, and practical features that truck buyers appreciate. The 2026 Nissan Frontier stays true to its heritage while embracing just enough modern upgrades to remain competitive in today's market. It offers a solid mix of power, practicality, and tech without going overboard. Whether you're tackling worksite duties, hitting the trails on the weekend, or just looking for a reliable truck that stands out in the crowd, the new Frontier delivers in a way that feels honest and confident. Thanks for watching Motors Sports Mania. If you enjoyed this full review of the 2026 Nissan Frontier and want more content like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We bring you the latest reviews, features, comparisons, and all things automotive every week.